Yo guys, I just bought a brand new headset. It's the JBL 760 Tune noise cancelling headset. It's an over-ear headset. I want the new one just to listen to music while traveling, on the train, situations like that. Bought it for a decent price, 55 euros. So we're gonna do another unboxing video. Okay, let's crack this bad boy open. Little knife here for the plastic pieces, if it's sharp enough. Go. Slides out nicely. Let's see what's included in this. So we've got a orange USB-C cable that's used for charging it. We've got a little 3.5mm double-ended cable that can be used to plug it directly into your phone. So you don't have to use it wireless if the battery is empty, I guess. Then on the bottom we've got some. Got this guy walking away. JBL album cover. And then we've got a quick start guide and some more technical information, which isn't that important right now. Now the main part, the headset here in its packaging. If you can get this out, there's still a piece covering the actual earpieces. Let's see if I can take this out carefully. There we go. So both of these are able to fold in to save space. The headset did not come with a case, so if you want to store these in the bag, you might want to be careful with those. You might want to get an additional case just to keep them safe. But let's see how they fit. Let's see, you've got an R and an L in there. Let's see which side they go on. They can move like this and also backwards. But let's see how they fit. Okay. I can easily hear the noise cancelling. These are over-ear headphones. Okay, it does feel secure in my head, so that's very nice. That's a problem I have with my gaming headset right now. It's supposed to have a 50-hour battery life. It's completely charged. There's an ANC mode. That's the active noise cancelling mode. You'll have a 35-hour battery life with that, but it's still very good. Definitely should be able to save me on a day when I'm traveling. 35 hours, you know, I won't be that long without a charger, so that's absolutely fine. It's pretty lightweight as well. It doesn't feel uncomfortable. How can we adjust it? Let me just... Yeah, you can also make it longer here on the sides to fit your head better. I'll have to mess around with that a little bit more to get the perfect shape. But now I'm gonna try these out for a couple days and let you know what I think in the next part of the video. So see you in a second. So I've had a couple weeks to test this thing out now, and overall I'm happy with it. The noise cancellation is nice. We've been having some construction next to my job, so it's been very nice these last 2 weeks. It's very comfortable, pretty comfortable. Normally I prefer a bit bigger over-ear headphones, so like my gaming headset. But it's fine. No real issues. Of course, you can't really wear sunglasses or anything because it's a little bit annoying. But that's with every over-ear headset. So take that into account if you wear glasses. No issues with the battery life. No issues with comfort. I've tried it while exercising. Also, you know, stays on very steadily when you're moving around. So that's been good. Probably not going to do it a lot when exercising because, you know, get sweaty. I don't want to keep the leather ear cushions nice and clean. But I will be wearing it when cycling to work and stuff like that. Sound quality is fine. No real issues. It's about what you'd expect from like you know, a 50 to 80 euro headset. So no real complaints there. One minor thing is that you can't charge it and listen to it at the same time, which hasn't been an issue yet, but I can imagine a situation where that could be annoying. And overall, I think I'm gonna give this 4 stars out of 5, 8 out of 10. It is what I expected, and I'm happy with it. And I'm gonna be using it for the coming time in the near future. So yeah, that's been my review, my unboxing. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you boys later. Peace.